In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Payoneer account blocked. If your Payoneer account was suddenly blocked, don't panic. I'll walk you through what to check, how to contact support, and how to submit the right documents so your access can be reviewed and potentially restored. First, start with your email. Open the inbox for the email address registered to your Payoneer account, and be sure to check the spam or junk folders. Look for a message from Payoneer explaining why the account was blocked and whether they need any actions or documents from you. This message often outlines exactly what they require, so reading it carefully can save time. Next, try logging into your Payoneer account as usual. Even if access is limited, you can often reach help tools. Click the profile icon at the top right and choose Support Center. This is your hub for contacting the team and tracking requests. If you see the live chat option in the Support Center, use it first because it's typically the fastest route. When chat opens, provide your full name and your customer ID, and then describe your issue clearly and briefly. Mention that your account is blocked and that you're requesting the specific steps to unblock it. Keep the tone polite and professional. It helps the agent guide you efficiently. If live chat isn't available, submit a support request instead. Click Contact Us or My Requests and fill in the form. Enter the email address linked to your Payoneer account. Choose a relevant topic like account blocked and write a detailed message that includes what happened, any error messages, and what you've already checked. If you have documents requested in the email, attach them here. When documents are required, prepare them carefully. This may include a government-issued ID, a recent proof of address, and business documents like invoices or contracts. Make sure everything is clear, not cropped or blurry, and that names and addresses match the details on your Payoneer account. If something has changed, explain it briefly in your message. After submitting, monitor your case. Open My Requests in the Support Center to check the status, and keep an eye on your email for replies or additional instructions. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time, follow up politely through the same request thread and try live chat again if it becomes available. Live chat typically runs 24 hours Monday through Friday, and responses can be slower on weekends. Provide accurate information, stay courteous but persistent, and upload any requested files promptly to avoid delays. Once your information